What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Today is finally the day. I spoke about what I'm going to do in this corner for a very long time. Ignore the big saltwater tank. This is for something else down the road. Make sure you subscribe. Over the last couple of weeks, I have been designing our saltwater pond. This is what we're looking like now. Obviously, we have a window spot. The windows are about 40 inches long and 2 feet high. Have not even got the glass made yet, but the majority of the frame, the pond itself, everything will be built in today's video. The window spots right here and right here. This is gonna be a ledge where the filter sits, and obviously we have a protein skimmer and the whole 9 yards of filtration over there. I have wanted a saltwater pond for months now. I've been kind of going back and forth whether I wanted fresh or saltwater, and let me tell you, Cuffaros, you told me what you wanted. Saltwater, 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 saltwater. How many saltwaters can I tell you? Over 4,000 comments of saltwater. Now, obviously we have the Amazon corner that is still in the works. In a way, it's done, but in the works. This is our 5,500 gallon freshwater pond. It's got 2 viewing panels. One viewing panel right here. The water's low right now because the fish are going through some treatment. It's loud over there though. I'm gonna get away from the Amazon corner and more over to the saltwater corner. We've of course got the man himself, Hector! Woo! Hector is here. This morning I actually gave Hector the card to go to Home Depot to get all the materials for this pond build.
Maybe 2 boxes. It's a lot of work. Yep. No money. Sorry. We finito.
Strap in, get ready for this. It is gonna be another banger video. Look at the size of these screws that we're gonna be using. I mean, my goodness. We have got lots, oh my goodness, lots of stuff. Hector, are you excited for this build?
All the time, my friend. I like this place.
Step 1 to building any pond, we are going to build the wall. So what they're doing is actually building the wall on the ground, laying flat first. Once they finish the wall, they will then stand the wall up right here. So what we're building right here is actually what's gonna flip up and sit right here. Hector has literally built this entire farm. Now they're leaving this space right here open because this right here is exactly where the frame of the window will be built. This pond ain't going nowhere.
Nowhere. This screw goes this way.
So this screw goes in like that, and then what does it expand?
Yep. This piece, the bottom.
Yeah.
The gold color.
That gold expands in the concrete, holding this in the concrete. Along with, once all the other walls are built, it ties everything together. But this thing is tall, it's big.
4 feet high.
And just like that, we're in.
We put a 1, we have to put a 3 more, okay?
And this, oh, I almost dropped my camera. And this right here is what we're looking like just a couple hours later. They got most of the frame, at least half of the frame done, as you can see. There's the window spot. I just texted the window guy, see what the quote's gonna be for that. Don't even know how much these windows are gonna cost, but it looks like I'm doing it regardless because I made the hole. Smash the like button, Cuffaros. Another window will be right here. There it is. The frame is all done, as you can see. It's very sturdy, of course, very sturdy. Lots of extra structure. This pond is massive. It's so much bigger than it looks like on camera. It's probably gonna be around 3,000 gallons, I would think, 3,500 gallons. This frame is gonna run like this, across there, and all the way down there like that. I'm standing on it. But unfortunately, we gotta go buy more wood. How many more pieces of wood?
25.
25.
10 more.
10 more of the screws to go in the concrete?
Yeah, that's really important to keep it in place. Vámonos.
This thing is huge.
Vámonos.
Look at this.
We did it.
Holy moly. Through the window. Hector, day 1.
Tomorrow.
Day 1 complete. See you tomorrow. This looks absolutely amazing. Looking good. We got a lot done. We're gonna finish the rest of it tomorrow. It's day 2. I'm gonna sneak up on Hector right now. Hector! Wow. Holy smokes. Well, there's one of the viewing panels, and if you move over here, the other viewing panel is right there. So obviously, like I said, we have to get the glass made for those, but the pond frame is 100% done. The first piece of plywood are going on right now, and it's gonna completely change the look of this entire pond. The plywood is going on now. It is gonna look so good. That's the first piece. We just cut the second piece, and Hector's cutting the third right now. We'll have plywood all the way around it, just like this. Obviously, leave the windows open. And that makes this pond like 7 times the strength to hold that water capacity. I mean, this thing is so bolted down, it's ridiculous. There is a lot going on in here, but let me tell you, Cuffaros, this is looking so much better than I anticipated. It's big. This pond is big. Look at that. Oh, this. We have this corner spot right here. We're gonna actually fill this up with probably like foam or something, and then do some dirt right here. And we're gonna get what I was talking about earlier, the fake mangrove, and put them all right here hanging over into the pond. So picture mangroves right there. Where I am standing, we're going to build a cave for the fish. A cave for the fish. I know it's loud, I'm sorry. Well, we're building a cave right there. That's gonna be like the cave spot. So you can see from that window and that window the fish inside the cave. A little opening. You walk in and it's looking good. Oh yeah. Sitting on the couch, you got a good view. Stand over in the turtle corner, you got a good view. I can only imagine what this building is gonna look like in like 3 months. 3 months? That'll be completely finished. This will be probably set up and going. A lot's going down. The next project is this spot right here. Of course, I want to get that most importantly going, and then this will be the next project. Right now, we're obviously just building the frame, getting the basics down, because I really wanted to build this. It looks so, so good. I just got back from breakfast, brought the boys some of their favorite energy drinks, and I don't know where they're at. But they literally finished the entire thing already. The frame is done. This is the pond right here. Like, holy smokes, dude. That thing is unreal. It's big too. These tall, tall walls, 4 foot. Holy moly, dude. Wow, that is crazy. That's so awesome. Where are they? I need to get him an energy drink. He's probably loading his trailer up. Yeah, he is. Energy drink number 1. Hector. Energy drink.
Number 1 and maybe the last one. Too much caliente, man.
The trailer looks good, dude. Hector has utilized the trailer we had surprised him with a couple years back. I think it was a year now.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's put shelves and all sorts of stuff in here. It looks good. Holy blinding. I'm blinded by the light. Is that not just insane? Like, it almost hasn't set in yet. We have a saltwater pond inside the fish building. Obviously, our main focus right now is the 5,500 gallon, figuring that out. This we just wanted to get done. The frame is done. I'm not sure when the artificial mangroves will come, or the liner will show up, or the windows. I'm not gonna make any promises, but I am gonna do it as fast as I possibly can. We need a protein skimmer. Filtration needs to be set up. There should be a heater on here and the whole 9 yards that we have yet to set up on that. So we're gonna figure out the 5,500 gallon problem. In 6 days, we have this finally getting done. All that is gonna get filled back in, and we'll have electricity inside the building to then finally plug in our heater that we had received for the 5,500 gallon. I could not be any happier with the outcome of this pond though. It came out amazing, and it's large. It's very, very big. Massive. We're gonna have grouper, snapper, you name it, it'll probably be in here. There's gonna be some banger videos, so make sure you subscribe down below for all those videos. If you don't, you'll probably miss them. Shout out to Hector and the boys for helping us out with building that. They did an absolutely fantastic job in just 2 days. They did it so fast. I figured to end the video off, we'll just feed the pigs. Boiled pigs. They got a corn and grain mix. I don't suggest ever doing that again. There you go, buddies. Lily! Open your mouth a little. Oh, one in your nose. Oh my gosh, it came out, thank God. A piece of corn went right in her nostril. There you go, guys. Heat up. Look how big Duke is getting, bro. He's literally a hoss. He's a mondo pig. Fresh bale of TNA, goats. Should go to a hay bale throwing contest, huh? That was pretty good.
That was pretty good.
9 feet 3 inches and 4 centimeters. You guys are stoked. They're definitely stoked. Here, little baby, eat it right out of my hand. Goats, I think, might be like my favorite thing on the farm. They're so personable. They love people. There's a fly on my nose. We are over here at the emus now, and these animals are just definitely the craziest thing we own. Baby dinosaur. So that'll wrap up today's video. I mean, that was a cool video. We did a little bit of building, a little bit of animal showing. Typical day on the farm here. If you guys want to have your name on this wall right here, along with all the other advanced members, make sure to check out our member link down below as well. Join. I'm box jumping this to end the video. If I fall, we end the video in the hospital. If I make it, it's even cooler of an end, right?
Right.
All right.
All right. Gotta be, yeah.
No, 4 feet?
4 feet.
Oh, smokes. Oh!
What?
See you in the next one.